Want to learn how to reset the password of your Tellonym apps account with your email address? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Tellonym app on my phone. You can also go to your App Store or Play Store and install it and then tap on it. You're onto the very first section of the Tellonym app itself. Since we are trying to reset the password of our Tellonym account and recover the old one, tap on this login with password on the bottom. Tap on need help with login on the right corner below password. Now you can choose either Google, email or Twitter and the particular site that you had used to create this account. I'm gonna tap on email to verify it, and after this you can see that we need to enter an email that is connected to this particular account that I'm trying to recover. So tap on email and enter your email address just like this, and then tap on send below. You can see that they have just sent an email to our inbox. We need to go there and check our mails and click on the password to reset the link to change our password. So I'm going to do it. You can do it of your own. So I'm onto the homepage of my own email address, and on the top I do have a notification from Tellonym app. So I'm going to tap on it for resetting my password. You can see that if I forgot a password, I can tap on reset password. So tap on it just like this. Now I can create a new password so that I can reset my account, so that I can recover my account. So I'm going to do it. You can do it if you're on. When you're done, tap on submit below. That's it. I have just kept a password for it. Now I have an option of entering my email address or username along with my password to get logged in. So you will see that first of all I need to enter my email address and then my password. When you're done doing both, tap on submit below. So this is it. I have been logged into my own profile and I can confirm it by tapping on this profile icon on the top right corner. Christine Evans 57, that's my username, and this is my account. Yes, so this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.